What are you looking at, Frankie? Frankie was just staring down the fish. Like hardcore. The bowl's really dirty. What is it, Frankie? Frankie. 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 You're scary. Hello everybody. It is 11:10. Yeah, 11:10. And it's Friday and I don't have school today because we had parent-teacher conferences, and so I'm going to walk over to David's house and wake him up and scare him. Just kidding. But I'm gonna go over there and wake him up, and then we're gonna have a fun day and stuff. And I'm sick, so sorry about all the weird noises and stuff, but yeah, so I'm gonna leave in like 20 minutes at 11:30, and yeah. Okay, it's now 11:24 now, and I think I'm just gonna go now because I have nothing else to do. I'm already and stuff, so probably gonna do that. Gotta put Frankie out. Frankie, you wanna go outside? You don't want to, do you? You got to. Come on. Outside. You won't be outside as long as yesterday. Bye, Frankie. No, go outside. Go outside. Wait, I forgot about his food. Alright, got it all taken care of. Her food and water. Love you, Frankie. Bye. Now it's time for us to leave. It's really windy. I don't wanna walk. I don't like walking in the wind. But it's all frizzly, wizzly, and crazy. But anyways, okay, bye. I finally made it to David's house. And he's playing video games. What are you playing, David?
Kingdom Hearts
2? Oh yeah. You can't even see your eyes. You're funny.
Yeah, that's cool.
We almost finished it, huh, David? Huh, David?
No.
Whatever, you butt.
Your butt.
Your butt.
Alright, kids. I got my dog's gravy train. It's a sort of dog food. And it's probably cheap ass. Sorry for the cuss words. It's not rated PG. These videos aren't. But.
Oh, it's a chain.
But you can add water to the dog food. And the water turns into a sort of gravy later on after it absorbs into the dog food, and yeah, it's good for the dogs. They're like
good for the dogs. Hope they don't die.
Yep.
David.
Yeah.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
You look so cute.
No.
Like
I look like a hobo, kids.
No, you don't.
I got hobo teeth. Hobo pants.
Oh, you little stinker.
Mhm.
Aww,
I'm not throwing gas today.
I am not. You're the one, David.
Just kidding.
Sucker.
Sucker.
Sucker you. Sucker head. Okay, we found the gravy train.
$2.
So David has.
No benefits, I don't think.
That
Maybe
looks
some
delicious.
protein. When served wet versus Alpo prime cuts dry.
David, dance. You're funny.
Gravy train.
You're funny.
I'm advertising gravy train.
Gravy train, give us money, gravy train. We just.
Poochie.
Poochie. Ow, ow. Toenail clipper. Yeah. Dollar General right here, guys. Oh, whoops. I wasn't recording your face. Oh my gosh, I want that.
Slow cooker. I should get that for your birthday.
Slow cooker. No.
Yeah.